I've slept with him too.
Yeah, right.
I did. We did. Twice, technically. It's not funny.
Well, maybe it's a little bit funny.
God, I hate men sometimes.
The absolute bloody cheek of him.
We really do have the same taste in bastards.
It's funny how they always seem to come back to me in the end. Sam.
Wouldn't.
You're right, I wouldn't.
This is exactly what I wanted. Dazzle the local money and land ourselves an investor. Mr. Elliot, I'm so glad you could make it.
My pleasure.
I'd be happy to give you a tour at some point.
We were thinking a ménage à trois, if you think you can handle it.
We can't. Can we?
You got 15 minutes.
I think I can do it in 10. I've got this!
Did you just... I didn't even know you were capable of burping.
Yeah.
Can you feel that?
Yes, I can.
As always, where there's life, death's lurking in the shadows.
Let's go and eat.
Oh, where are we going?
To Cornwall!
If you chop off your finger, I'll shove it up your arse. Not in a lovely way.